treatment of water. What is treatment of water? It is the process by which hard water get converted into the soft water. It is the process in which the hard water get converted into the soft water. That process is nothing but the treatment of water. There are number of processes are there by which we can convert the hard water into the soft water. Today we will see first one is reverse osmosis. What is reverse osmosis? It is the process where when two solutions are separated from semi-permeable membrane, then solvent molecule move from higher concentration to lower concentration, and that process is called as the reverse osmosis. Before that, what is osmosis? Osmosis is nothing but when two solutions having different concentration are separated by semi-permeable membrane, then due to the osmotic pressure, the solvent molecule move from lower concentration to higher concentration. For example, suppose if we consider this container, and if we add just grape in that container, water container, then what happened? The size of grape get increases just because of osmosis. And this is the natural process when two solutions, the solution in the grape and the solution in the water, if they are separated by semi-permeable membrane, the outer cover of grape is here acts as a semi-permeable membrane. So when these two solutions are separated by semi-permeable membrane, then due to osmotic pressure, the solvent molecule or means water molecule, they are enter into the grape. So this is the osmosis process. When the reverse osmosis takes place, when that whatever the pressure or hydrostatic pressure which is applied, when it reaches or it exceeds the osmotic pressure, then reverse osmosis takes place. Suppose consider this is the tank. In this tank, the hard water and soft water is there, and this hard water and soft water, they are separated by the semi-permeable membrane. So in that case, when we apply the pressure, hydrostatic pressure, and which exceeds the osmotic pressure, then reverse osmosis is takes place. Means the water which is from hard water side will enter into the soft water type side, means the water get purified. And this whole process, it is called as the reverse